with the Got To Be Glued Hold-In Spray, and I'm gonna spray this all over my hair. And then I'm gonna take my fingers and rake them through my hair for a few seconds to set the hold-in spray. Next, I'm gonna take a small portion from the top part of my hair, and I'm gonna wrap it around the curling wands away from my face. But do this very carefully because it's very hot. I normally set the wands at 450 degrees. And we're gonna hold it for about 10 seconds. And let it go. So this is what it should look like, and they're gonna be pretty crispy because of the hold-in spray, but that's okay. Some of them will, not all of them. I'm gonna take another small portion of my hair and I'm going to wrap it around. And I start at the top. I don't part it or anything because it's just easier this way, but you can part it if you want. I think the messier it is, the better it comes out. So I don't like to put parts in my hair ever. I just take small sections. And I'm gonna repeat this throughout the entire portion of my hair. So I'm gonna skip it a little bit. Let's skip ahead so we'll see what we're doing. Because I don't part my hair into sections, I take a hair clamp and just clamp the part that I've already curled out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. And this part, I guess, is considered the back portion of my hair, which is pretty much the same thing. But be careful not to burn your ear. I've done it 1,000 times, which is why I'm really good at it now. But when I first started, I used to burn my fingers and my ears so much. So if you're a beginner, I would suggest using a winter glove to protect your fingers because it hurts really bad. And as you can see, this one looks more like a spiral curl versus a wave, but don't obsess over it. It's gonna be just fine. Once we rake them out, it's all gonna blend in. And so now I'm moving over to the left side of my face, and I'm just gonna do the exact same thing, but I'm using my right hand versus my left hand. As you can see, I've switched hands with the curling wands. And actually, I'm really confused. I'm not sure if this is the right side or the left side because the camera tends to flip the image, so I'm confused. But either way, you're gonna use the opposite hands of the hair of the side of your face that you're curling, if that makes any sense at all. We're doing the exact same thing. Small sections away from your face, and we're gonna speed it up some more. So we're now at the back portion of the hair. I took the clips out because I was done with the front, but I started to get really confused. So I reclamped them, and we're gonna start on the back portion of my hair. Sorry you can't see this part, but it'll get better, I promise. So I'm just combing it a little bit. I could normally use my fingers, but a brush is fine too. And then I'm placing, for the back, it's really important. I'm placing it underneath my hair and I'm wrapping it downwards. It looks downwards from, I guess, the back, but it's really the same thing. Place it behind your hair, wrap it away from your face, repeat. I look so crazy right now. I'm so embarrassed, but it's okay. I'm gonna add a little more hold-in spray because the last curl that I just curled, it was very, very soft. So I didn't like that. Added some more hairspray and looks like I'm taking the clips out again. You can leave it clamped. I'm just so used to doing this so much to where like I can just clamp, unclamp, confuse the hell out of myself, but I would suggest that just leave it clamped. That way you can tell what's curled and what's not curled. And then it's the exact same thing. Yes, I did just reclamp my hair. Again, leave your hair clamped. I am just retarded. So, yeah. Last little piece, I think. So now that I've curled all parts of my hair, I'm going to take my fingers just like I did in the beginning and rake them through my hair. Don't be scared, you're not gonna mess it up. Same thing for the back. Look how pretty, I love it so much. I get so many compliments on this hairstyle. Last thing, I take the curling wands and I pass it down the front of my hair because it's a little wavy. So to get that part straight, the flat iron just doesn't do a good job. So I run the wand down the front and the sides of my hair, and you are done.